Hello students, welcome to iExamB. My name is Anshul Malik and I'm currently working as section officer in Central Secretariat Services. As you already know that the notification of GIC, that is General Insurance Corporation, has already been released. So keeping that thing in mind, in today's session, we will be taking up important journal awareness MCQ so that you can have idea what type of question your examiner gonna ask from this section. So we are targeting for scale 1 officer. So please be patient and listen the video very carefully. And students, if you are looking for your online course for your GIC general exam, then you can get flat 29% off by using this code, that is Holy Hai 29. So if you want to enroll now, you can call on this number and we will happy to serve you. And if you are targeting for any other exam, so there is a flat 29% off on all our online courses. You have to use this code, that is Holy Hai 29, and please enroll now if you want to avail 29% off. So let's get started. So your first question is, after the latest revision in March 2021, FD interest rates in IDBI Bank ranges from 29 to how much percent for FDs maturing in 7 days to 20 years. So the correct answer for this particular question is option number C, that is 5.1, because IDBI Bank has revised the interest rate on fixed deposit with effect from 18th March 2021. And after the latest revision, FD interest rate in IDBI Bank ranges from 2.9 to your 5.1 for FD maturing from 7 days to 20 years. So the correct option is C. Your next question is, which of the following hit rupees 2 trillion in market capitalization after its shares touched a record high? So these are your given options, and the correct answer for this particular question is Adani Green Energy Limited. Adani Green Energy Limited hit 2 trillion in market capitalization. And the reason behind this is that Adani Green's total renewable capacity stands at 151.65 megawatt, out of which 3395 megawatt is operational and the rest, that is 11770, is under implementation. So the reason behind hitting 2 trillion is this, because the capacity of total renewable energy stands at this level. So the correct answer for this particular question is option number 2. Your next question is, Alana Group has announced an investment of rupees 20 crore for how much percent stake in L&T Foods? So the correct answer for this particular question is option number A, that is 1%, because Alana Group has recently announced an investment of 20 crore, which is 1% of stake in L&T Foods, because the two company plans to work together to expand L&T Foods consumer product business to focus on value added as well as impulse food products. So the correct answer for this particular question is option number A. Your next question is, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited will acquire how much percent stake held by DVS Raju in Gangavaram Port Limited? So the correct answer for this particular question is 58.1, that is your option number D, because Adani Port and Special Economic Zone Limited will acquire 58.1% stake held by DVS Raju in Gangavaram Port Limited, and the acquisition is value at 3604 crores, which is subject to the regulatory approval. Right, so the correct answer is your option number D. So your next question is, in March 2021, Applied Materials India, the local subsidiary of Applied Materials, has signed a R&D pact with which of the following? So these are your given options, and the correct answer for this particular question is option number C, that is IISc Bangalore. Students, as a part of industry affiliate program of the Center for Nanoscience and Engineering both will work closely to explore new applications and solutions in the field of advanced materials. The main goal of this organization is to carry out the cutting edge research and technological innovations and translate them with appropriate partners into successful commercial products and services. So the correct answer is IISc Bangalore. How many loans have been sanctioned to the beneficiary under Pradhan Mantri Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme by March 2021? So the correct answer is more than 23 lakhs loans have been sanctioned to the beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Vendor scheme, that is Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme, which is also known as PM SVA Nidhi scheme. Right, over 18 lakh loans have been dispersed to the beneficiary. The scheme was launched on 1st June 2020 with the objective to facilitate free working capital loans up to 10,000 to about 50 lakhs street vendors across the country. So the correct answer is option number C, that is more than 23 lakh. Your next question is Telangana CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao has announced how much percent fitment for state government employees and teachers under pay revision and increase the retirement age to 61 years from 58 years. So the correct answer is 30% because CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao has announced a 30% fitment for state government employees. The decision is to hike the salary is applicable for contract employees also, home guards also, and others in state. So it is applicable to all the employees. He further announced a decrease in the upper age limit from 75 to 70 years to get a 15% additional benefit in case of pension. So you can remember these facts because this is very important decision and fact. Students, your next question is in Jammu and Kashmir, the Power Development Department has successfully connected how many more habitations of the Kishtwar district to the electricity grid in March 2021? So the correct answer for this particular question is option number B, that is 4, because the Power Development Department has successfully connected 4 more habitation of this particular district. So the Deputy Commissioner, which is your Ashok Sharma, has formally declared the village 100% electrified. So the correct answer is option number B, that is 4. You can keep other information in your mind that the Lieutenant Governor for Jammu and Kashmir is Manoj Sinha. Your next question is Delhi government has announced reform in excise policy. The legal age to drink liquor in national capital has been reduced to how many years from 25? So the correct answer is option number D, that is 21, because Delhi government has announced reforms in excise policy and the new excise policy was approved by the cabinet on the basis of the recommendations of group of ministers, and it will act as a major blow to the liquor mafia in the national capital. So the legal age to drink liquor in national capital has been reduced to 21 from 25. So the correct answer is option number D, that is 21. So, which state launched a statewide Sankalp or resolution campaign in March 2021? So, the correct answer is option number B, that is Madhya Pradesh, because Madhya Pradesh has launched a statewide Sankalp or resolution campaign from 23 March 2021 for a week to create awareness on COVID appropriate behavior. Your sirens will be played at 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. in the state. The public will stop at their places and take a 2-minute resolution for the use of mask and maintaining social distancing. So the correct answer is your option number B, that is Madhya Pradesh. Which country won the final of Road Safety World Series in March 2021? So these are your options. In cricket, India Legends defeated Sri Lanka Legends by 14 runs in the final of Road Safety World Series to clinch the title at International Stadium in Raipur, that is Chhattisgarh, on 21st March 2021. And Sachin Tendulkar, the captain of Indian Legends, finished the tournament as the third highest run getter in the tournament, and he scored 234 runs. So the correct answer is India, that is option number A. The second consignment of Made in India vaccine arrived in which country on 22nd March 2021? So the correct answer is Bhutan. The second consignment of Made in India vaccines arrived in Bhutan on 22nd March 2021. With this, Bhutan is all set for its nationwide mass vaccine rollout. The country has received additional 4 lakh doses of Covishield vaccine from India, making possible the nationwide rollout of the vaccine program against COVID-19. So the correct answer is option number B, that is Bhutan. The Parliament has passed the Constitution Scheduled Caste Order Amendment Bill 2021. The bill seeks to modify the list of scheduled castes in which state? So these are your option, and the correct answer is Tamil Nadu, that is option number B. The Parliament has passed Constitution Scheduled Caste Order Amendment Bill with Rajya Sabha passing it on 22nd March 2021. The bill seeks to modify the list of scheduled caste in Tamil Nadu, on which day the nation paid tributes to freedom fighters Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. So the correct answer for this particular question is option number A, that is 23rd March. The nation paid tributes on 23rd March to all these three freedom fighters. On this day in 1931, British rulers had executed them in Lahore for their revolutionary activities against the empire. They were hanged a day before the scheduled day of execution. A number of programs were organized across the country to mark the day. So the correct answer is option number A, that is 23rd March. Lok Sabha has passed the Marine Aids to Navigation Bill 2021. It aims at repealing the Lighthouse Act of which year? So the correct answer is 1927, because the Lok Sabha has passed the Marine Aids to Navigate Bill to replace an old lighthouse law, and the bill seeks to provide a framework for the development, maintenance, and management of the aids to the navigation in the country. It aims at repealing the Lighthouse Act, that is 1927, and provides for empowering the Directorate General of Lighthouses and Lightships with additional power and functions. So the correct answer is 1927, that is option number B. I hope you get a clear cut idea that which kind of a question will be asked in your GIC exam. Thanks, and thanks for watching iExam B.